Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. I'm doing an evening routine during quarantine today, and today's video is in partnership with Billie. I'm removing my makeup, so I actually filmed a few TikTok videos this day, and when I am at home and I'm filming my TikTok videos, I try to remove my makeup as soon as possible because I just don't like it sitting on my face when I know I'm going to be editing and all that kind of stuff. So their wipes are amazing. Their products are vegan, cruelty-free, and actually their wipes are also biodegradable, which I think is really cool because I know a lot of people have problems with wipes, so that's nothing to worry about. I actually head into the bathroom, and recently I've been using a foaming cleanser. I used to use more gel type cleansers, but I find that changing up my cleansers have really helped my skin kind of not get used to a specific product and then break out. So here I'm just using the Kylie Skin Foaming Cleanser, and I just get that all the way into my hairline as much as possible, all around my nose and my blackheads, into my temples. You really want to work in a foaming cleanser. You want to really work it into the skin, and then I actually take a warm, damp cloth and I remove the foaming cleanser that way. This is one of the best ways to remove your makeup if you wear makeup and you have acne-prone skin. You don't want to tug or be too hard, but just be gentle with a little bit of warm water. And then we are jumping into the shower. So I have really been loving the Billie products. The razors are really, not to mention, they're really cute, but they also come with their own stand, and it's all magnetic, so nothing's clipping on to this or anything like that. Everything is magnetic, so it's super easy to just fit right into your shower, and it stays there, and it's just been really convenient while I'm shaving. And so I wanted to bring you guys up close with how I've been shaving my legs. Now, obviously, during quarantine, I've really not been shaving my legs, but I find that it actually helps to keep this in my routine as it makes me feel a little bit better. So I actually go in with a sugar scrub, and I kind of exfoliate the skin just to open up the pores so that we don't have any ingrown hairs. Here we have obviously my hairy legs, and I'm using the Billie Sudsy body wash, and you can actually double it as a shaving cream. So a lot of people I know like to use different conditioners for that waxy texture, but I actually like to use this and then just follow up with coconut oil, and it's actually really nice, very natural routine. I find that the Billie razors are actually really comfortable to use. I love the way that the handle feels in my hand. It never slips or slides or gives me razor burn or cuts. It has charcoal around the head, so it leaves my skin feeling really, really smooth. Even though I only use body wash, I can barely feel the razor on my actual skin. It's really great, and I definitely think you guys should check it out. The link will be down below. So then I'm going in with their lotion. Their lotion is amazing. It smells like grapefruit, very citrusy. It just smells really fresh. It's kind of a thicker consistency, not too liquid, which I love, and it just keeps my skin feeling really hydrated. So then I head into my room, and I'm just blow drying my hair. My hair has been growing so fast over the last few weeks. I don't know if it's because I'm not styling it as much, but it is really, really healthy right now, which I love. So then I kind of cleaned up my room. I did a bit of laundry, folding the laundry and things like that. This part of my night, actually, I just turn on a TV show. I've been watching The Office, and turn on a TV show, and I just fold my laundry. It's like so therapeutic. I don't know why. It's like the best part of my day. I kind of just zone out, and it's been really nice. And then I made my way downstairs, and I decided to make some oolong tea. These are just dried roots, and I kind of just put some hot water in it and take away some of like the smoky flavor, because it's the dried smokiness is kind of strong. So I soaked some hot water in the tea, and then I decided to make it an iced tea today. So I just did a little bit more of the hot water, let it steep for a while, added the rest of it into cold water, and then I added ice, and I've really been drinking like this whole jar, whether it's water or tea. I've been trying to drink it before bed because it just keeps me really hydrated, and my skin looks really great in the morning when I drink a lot of water before bed, obviously just to flush out all the bad toxins. So then I make my way back upstairs, and every night, actually, I do call my students, and we FaceTime call, and we read a chapter in the Bible. I also FaceTime a few friends and call up my sister. She's also a nurse at UCLA, so we kind of catch up, and I've been doing that a lot during this quarantine. It's been helping me stay connected with those that I love. I find that it's really important to just have that connection as much as possible. And then I just charge my phone on my stand. And then I just wanted to show you a quick leg update. Look how soft they look. It's really nice to get into bed like this, but yeah, that's pretty much my evening routine. So I was just editing this video and I just wanted to take a moment to talk to you guys about like this whole transition and this thing that we're doing, which is just quarantining and self-isolating and things like that. And you know, I've had a really hard time, and sometimes I think on social media it can come across as like we're all doing okay and we want to put our best faces forward. And I know a lot of influencers who are really trying to be encouraging and happy and stuff, but I just want to be honest with you guys and tell you that, yeah, like there have been a lot of harder times that you don't see. Whoever is watching and made it this far, it's okay to be sad and it's okay to be struggling, and it's okay if you're fighting with people and your family and stuff, because that happened to me. Like it's really tough because our home is now our workplace and our, you know, our social life and our restaurants and our break times and recess and school, and it's all in one place. And so I think it's okay to give your guys' family and yourself just a little bit more grace and a little bit more space to make mistakes. Yeah, I just thought I would share that because I've had a really hard time transitioning, although it's really easy to like make it seem like, oh, happy at home like all the time. Like, anyways, I thought I would just share that with you all. And my evening routines have been so different every day, only because some days, you know, we'll do a different recipe, or some days I'll just fall asleep really early, and some days like I'll stay up really late watching Netflix. So every day is really different, but I just thought that you guys would really enjoy kind of seeing something a little more relaxing, which was hopefully the hope that I was going for and the vibe I was going for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope this video made somebody out there feel a little bit better and put a smile on their face. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I hope you have a good night. Bye!